Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the bean stitch. The bean stitch creates this lovely soft textured fluffy pattern that's same on both sides and is ideal for crocheting blankets or scarves. So we're going to start with a slip knot and a foundation chain. So make your slip knot, and now you're going to want to chain an even number of chains. So for this tutorial I'm going to chain a foundation chain of 20. So I have my chain of 20, and now our first row is going to be a row of single crochets, but not inserted from the front. We're going to turn our chain and we're going to single crochet into the back bumps. So skip the first one, insert your hook under the second back bump, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, and again into the next back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both, and again under the back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. So carry on like this for the rest of your foundation chain, and I'll meet you at the end. So I'm nearly at the end of my first row. That's my last bump, and at the end of row 1 we want to chain 1 and turn our work over. Now in row 2 we're going to start creating our beans. To start with, we want to just single crochet to the base of this first stitch here. So insert your hook under your 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's our starting stitch. And now onto our beans. So in this row we're going to skip the next stitch, then we're going to insert our hook under the following stitch like so, so under them 2 loops. Now you want to yarn over and just pull up a short loop. Now we're going to yarn over, go into the same space, yarn over and pull up another loop, and yarn over one more time into the same space, yarn over, pull through, so that we have 6 loops on our hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all the loops, and we're going to chain 1 to secure our bean. So next one, again we're going to skip the next stitch and make another bean into the following stitch. So insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up another loop, yarn over, go into the same space, pull up another loop. Now you have 6 on your hook. Gonna yarn over, turn your hook down and go through all your loops and secure it with chain 1. So that's our second bean. And again skip the following stitch, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up another loop, yarn over, pull up another loop. Now you have 6 loops on your hook. yarn over, turn your hook down, pull through all your loops on your hook, chain one to secure the bean, and again, and carry on like this for the rest of the row, and I'll see you at the end. So I've made all my beans, and now we're going to insert our hook into the last stitch, and we're just going to make a single crochet. To get onto row 3, we're going to chain 1, turn our work over, and again to the base of our first stitch we're going to just make a regular single crochet. And now we're going to carry on with our beans, and we're going to be placing them in between the existing beans. So you want to pull your work apart a little bit, insert your hook here in between the beans, and carry on. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up another loop, yarn over, pull up another loop until you have 6 loops on your hook. Then we're gonna yarn over and pull through all the loops, yarn over and pull through. And again, this is our next space in between the 2 beans. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, another loop, one more until you have 6 loops, yarn over, pull through all and secure it with chain 1. And we're just going to carry on until the end of the row. And at the end of row 3, after we've done our last bean, just turn your work up a little bit and you'll see we've got one last stitch left. So we're just going to insert our hook under it and make a single crochet there. There we are. To get onto the next row, chain 1, turn over, and this is how we're going to carry on. We're just going to repeat row 3 over and over again now. So insert your hook onto the base of the first stitch, make a single crochet, and carry on placing your beans in between the existing beans. I'm at the end of another row, and again we're going to single crochet into our last stitch. Then we chain 1, turn our work and carry on. I hope you enjoyed this stitch. I'll see you in the next video.